Ever thought about transforming your hair type? Perhaps you have ultra straight locks and desire to infuse them with some waves and volume. Or maybe your hair is abundantly wavy and you're aiming for a more refined, sleek appearance. This tutorial will guide you through various techniques to alter your inherent hair type. But first, it's crucial to identify your specific hair category. The vast majority of individuals will find their hair fitting into one of these main types. 1. Straight hair, 2. Wavy hair, and 3. Curly or coily hair. Within each of these primary categories, there are 3 further classifications based on hair texture: fine, medium, and thick. Knowing your precise hair type simplifies the task of modifying it. Now, let's dive into how to straighten curly hair, starting with a temporary method, combining blow drying with brushing. Commence with slightly damp hair, untangle with a brush, and mist on some heat protectant. Employ a concentrator nozzle if it's at hand. Start with the front sections, brushing upwards while keeping the nozzle close, moving from the scalp to the tips. Continue this technique with the rest of your hair. For the back, aim for a smooth finish close to the scalp, directing the dryer's flow downward. This approach ensures straightening without adding extra volume. Then, use cool air to lock in the style. Add your favorite pomade and, if needed, a bit of hairspray for lasting hold. A more permanent solution is a keratin treatment or a Brazilian blowout. This method uses chemicals and a flat iron to achieve long-lasting straightness, typically enduring 3 to 6 months. The procedure includes blow drying, straightening, applying chemicals, and a resting phase. After the treatment, refrain from styling for 72 hours and opt for sulfate-free shampoos to maintain the sleek effect. Next, let's look at turning straight hair into wavy. A quick fix involves a mix of sea salt spray and a hairdryer. Start with damp hair and lightly towel it. Evenly apply a heat protector all over your hair. To enhance texture and support the formation of natural waves, use sea salt spray from the roots all the way to the ends. If your dryer includes a diffuser attachment, definitely use it. This accessory helps spread out the air, fostering wave creation and reducing frizz. If you don't have a diffuser, removing the nozzle for a wider airflow works too. During the drying process, scrunch and lift your hair sections. Apply additional sea salt spray, particularly to less wavy parts. You might also want to twist some strands around your finger, applying brief heat to form distinct curls. Complete the look with a flexible pomade that highlights and sets the waves in place. For a more lasting change, consider a perm. Perms chemically alter your hair's texture to create waves or curls. Your hair will typically be coiled around rods and treated with a perm solution to achieve the preferred curliness. After the solution sets, it's washed out, the hair is partially dried, and a neutralizer is applied to finish the perming process. Expect to spend around 2.5 hours in the salon for a perm. The lifespan of a perm largely depends on your hair's length. Shorter, regularly cut hair will likely retain the perm for about 3 to 4 months, whereas longer hair will display the curls longer, especially at the ends as the roots grow out, lasting about 6 to 8 months. I trust you've found this video on hair type transformation insightful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content.